Hi, this is Jeff with Zavvio, and I'm going to show you how to create an SD card for Zavvio Wireless Web Server. The first thing to do is to get an SD card that's compatible with Raspberry Pi. So there's a website here that shows cards that are proven to work and proven not to work. Most of the cards do work, but there are a few exceptions. The next thing to do is to get the install file from Zavvio from www. Button here to download the zip file, which I'm not going to do here. It's a 120 megabyte file. I've already downloaded it, so we'll go from there. And then the other thing to download is the SD card formatter tool, which is available here. There's a link here to download this SD card formatter. Okay, so when you have these things prepared, the next thing to do is to open up your computer and then plug in your SD card. And so I plugged in the SD card and it showed up as drive H. And so the next thing to do is to format the card using the tool that's been installed. And so you see the drive is H, and so I'll format the SD card. Okay, that's complete. And so the next thing to do is to go to where the zip file is, and then you want to right click, extract all, and then browse. Then we'll choose the H drive where the SD card is, and just say OK, and extract. And so this will take a few minutes. And so while that's going, I'll tell you the Zavvio Wireless Web Server allows you to create your own wireless hotspot, broadcasting whatever web pages you choose. You can use the SD card with the Raspberry Pi mini computer and a wireless adapter. For example, if you're selling a home, you could put web pages with information about the home, and anyone close enough to your hotspot can connect and receive the information. Another example might be like a school play. If you want to distribute the program information, then you can create a web page with that information, and you can load that onto Zavvio Wireless Web Server so that anyone that's attending can view that information with their cell phone or other Wi-Fi enabled device. Okay, so it looks like we're almost complete here. So then last thing that we're going to do is eject the SD card. And then after we eject the SD card, we can put it in the Raspberry Pi and install the Zavvio Wireless Web Server. And so it looks like it's finished. So I'll close this, go back to my computer, right click, eject. Now it's safe to remove the SD card. And so that's it. That's how you create an SD card, and have fun with it.